Hello, everybody. Now that we have our Apollo extension installed, I want to show you guys a couple cool things that happens with that. Okay, so everything that we do in our email is already logged to Apollo. However, we also now have the ability with the Apollo extension, right? Fancy, fresh, installed, right? We can go right into templates here and insert a template that'll filter and populate based on the prospect that we're speaking with. Okay, so you can also go ahead and insert your meeting link here. And you also can say, hey, I'm free from, and I have no free time. Very good. I am free from 8:15 to 9:15. Does that work for you? And look at how cool and fresh this looks, right? So this is how I want you guys to follow up with prospects that we speak with that are asking for more information or a meeting, okay? Every prospect that we leave a voicemail with is automatically going to get follow-up. Prospects that we connect with and ask for more information, I want you guys to go through your Gmail here, find the person. Apollo will match it up for you. You can see that Apollo's in here looking. We can send our templates. We can set our meetings, okay? I think that should save you guys some time and make things a little bit more efficient, okay?